A new trading week is about to kick off right here at the New York Stock Exchange after what was a wild week on Wall Street dominated by U.S.-China trade talks, whether it was in the form of President Donald Trump's numerous mixed tweets about reaching a deal and China's last-minute decision to take a trip to Washington, D.C. to discuss the issues at hand, while still promising to retaliate if tariffs are increased. Well, inevitably, President Donald Trump posting higher tariffs from 10% to 25% on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods, while adding on Twitter that there's absolutely no need to rush on a trade agreement with China and tariffs will make the United States much stronger. Meanwhile, it's a new trading week here at the New York Stock Exchange. There's a lot to watch on the economic docket that can move the markets, so let's find out what will likely move those markets in the week ahead. It's a quiet start to the week on Monday with China's April foreign direct investment report on tap. Also, the U.S. will see both 3-month and 6-month T-bill auctions. But Tuesday sees quite the pickup in activity, especially in Germany, with harmonized consumer prices for April and May economic sentiment scheduled for release. German ZEW sentiment for May expected to come in at 0.8. Also in the UK, we will see the release of March ILO unemployment rate figures. Meanwhile, Wednesday continues in Germany with first quarter GDP scheduled for release. Expectations call for a 0.3% rise month over month and a 1% rise year over year. In addition, we have U.S. retail sales for April due, and that's expected to rise 0.7%. Thursday sees some action down under with the Australian unemployment rate expected to rise 5.1% for April. We also have the U.S. weekly jobless claims and housing starts numbers on tap. And Friday ends in the U.S. with May preliminary consumer sentiment numbers, expectations calling for the read of 97.7, up from 97.2 in April. And don't forget, the U.S.-China tariff hikes will remain in the headlines as Beijing promised to retaliate the increase in U.S. tariffs on Chinese goods. Keep that in mind. And until next week, live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Swinney reporting for ICN.